China just built a humanoid robot and thought, what if we teach it Kung Fu? This is the Terminator robot, and you'll be shocked by what it can do. The past. Just a year ago, Chinese robots could barely even stand. They stumbled through basic movements, struggled with balance, and looked decades behind what Boston Dynamics in the United States was doing. Then everything suddenly changed at China's 2026 Spring Festival Gala. Dozens of Unitree G1 humanoid robots walked onto the stage alongside trained martial arts students from Tagu Martial Arts School with no human control or any type of remote control. They performed Kung Fu. This wasn't just basic choreography that looked goofy, but it was a full high-level movement, from launching backflips up to thream into the air to complex spins like the 7.5 rotation air flare, which is something that has never been done by a robot, the Unitree G1. Weapon training. They also displayed weapons training with nunchucks, staffs, even swords, wall kicks, drunken fist styles, every move perfectly timed, perfectly synchronized, moving at speeds up to 4 ms/s. This was completely autonomous. Just 1 year ago, these same robots could barely stand, let alone perform a simple dance routine. In just 12 months, what did China do to make them go from unstable prototypes to elite-level performers that are executing moves that would challenge professional martial artists? Mass production is next. Unitree plans to ship up to 20,000 humanoid robots in 2026 alone. For context, they shipped around 5,500 last year, which is already more than Tesla's AI and most Western competitors combined. Right now, China holds over 85% of the world's humanoid robot market. If they've reached this level in something as complex as Kung Fu, what happens in everything else? The futuristic factory. But what if I tell you that something entirely different is also being done in China? Before we reveal that, subscribe to the channel, because this is going to shock you. The Unitree G1 isn't just built for performance. These are multitask robots and can do nearly everything you want. The same robot that was doing Kung Fu on the stage wall will work inside factories performing completely different tasks. Unitree's next big target is factory automation, but not any factory. They want to build a factory where robots manufacture other robots. Essentially, these G1 robots will manufacture themselves. There are no humans on the floor, just machines creating more machines. When that happens, the scale of what China can produce will be unlike anything in the world as I've ever seen, and the Western robotics world should be scared. While Unitree's robots are still in development, another Chinese company has already beaten them to it. Meetup Tech and their robot army isn't coming, it's already here. Their robot is called the Walker S2. Think of it as the world's hardest working employee, because it never gets tired, never has any tantrums, never takes a break, and rarely makes a mistake. It can swap its own battery in just under 3 minutes all by itself. That means that it can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, non-stop. Over 1,000 of these robots have already been delivered and are working inside some of the biggest factories in the world right now. They can see like humans, carry heavy loads, and an entire team of them is working together completely independently. No human is needed in that factory. A robot never sleeps, and China has already built it. But while battery swapping is impressive, the next robot doesn't even need help to wake up. The robot that wakes up. Let's talk about a robot called Limx-Tron, also known as Uli. Limx Dynamics just took automation one step further with this robot. Forget swapping batteries, Uli wakes all by itself. Imagine 18 robots sitting inside shipping boxes. No one touches them. The box is open, and the robot stands up on its own, walks out in perfect formation, and is ready to work right outside the box. There is no setup, no human help, nothing is needed. The company calls it the world's first scalable autonomous deployment. You order the robot, they arrive, and they just start working all by themselves. But that's not even the best part. Uli runs a system called HOSA, which is basically its brain. You can give it small unspoken instructions like bring 2 bottles of water to the front desk, and it will figure it out all by itself. It will plan the route, pick up the bottles, navigate around people and obstacles, and deliver them without anyone guiding it. If you give it a new task midway, it pauses things, reprioritizes, and just ends up. It sees the world around it, remembers places it has been before, and gets smarter every single time. Chinese robots aren't just catching up, they have already surpassed what America has done. But what happens when these robots don't just work together, but they start fighting? Before we reveal the terminal robot that we originally talked about, please subscribe to the channel, because now we are talking about a robot that knows how to actually fight. The Terminator robot. Finally, let's meet the T-800. No, not the movie. It is an actual Chinese combat robot named after the Terminator. And yes, that is intentional. This robot fights. It can punch you, it can dodge in real time, and it doesn't follow a script but actually reacts to what's happening in front of it. It moves so unreal that the entire internet started calling it fake. Even other companies called it out, saying that it was all just either a bodysuit or some kind of trick that they did in order to make it feel so realistic. The body is made from the same materials used in aircraft. Its leg hits harder than any human. Its hand can feel the difference between an egg and a frog while adjusting its grip automatically. It sees in every direction at once, and the legs come with the built-in cooling system because it runs so hard it heats up like a car engine. It can operate for 4 hours non-stop, never tired and never stops. China built the robot and named it after the Terminator. Watching it move, you understand why, but this isn't the only robot that is doing the same. The Unitree H2 was launched in late 2025. It stands at a whopping 182 cm tall, weighing 70 kg, and has 31 degrees of freedom. In other words, it moves like a real human. At the 2026 Spring Gala Festival, the H2 performed a full sword routine in heavy armor, while dressed as the Monkey King Wukong riding on top of a Unitree BW robot dog. Yes, you read that correctly, this robot can dance, kickbox, walk a fashion runway, and perform a major live event all while sitting on another robot. It ships starting April 26 at just under $30,000. But what if you want a fighting robot without spending those 30 grand? Previously, we discussed the H2 robot, but this is the Unitree H1, and it starts at just under $6,000. It is less than the price of a decent second-hand car. What's crazy is that this robot can cartwheel, do a handstand, run on rough terrain, and even shadow walk. Time magazine named it one of the best inventions of 2025. This robot understands your voice, recognizes your face, and runs its own AI without needing the internet. You don't need a cloud internet connection, just a robot that listens, thinks, and moves all on its own. The police robots. At $5,900, China has just made a humanoid robot that anyone can own. They even gave robots a badge. This is what we mean. Meet the Richi. It looks like a bowling ball from the future, and it rolls straight at criminals. The Richi can chase suspects on both land and water at a speed of 35 km/h. It can withstand an impact of 4T, carries tear gas, net shooters, smoke bombs, and sound wave personal devices. It is already being used in Wuhan, China, where it patrols commercial zones alongside human officers. Even the WUA has placed an order for these robots, a robot ball that chases criminals through the river and mud, and China has already done it on the streets. Then there is the R001, which is China's first official robot traffic officer. In the city of Wuhu, there is a police officer standing at a busy intersection every single day. It has a full white uniform, a white cap reflecting west, and it looks more like a human than a robot. If you go closer to this robot, you will see that it's not actually a human. It has been standing there all day without moving, without needing to eat, and without even complaining once. People literally stop their cars to take photos with it, but it's not just standing there to look pretty or to distract. X-Robots and Speng. Lastly, we have X-Robots, which is a company focused on creating ultra-realistic humanoid robots that are designed to look and act like real people. They use highly detailed silicone skin, realistic facial features, and expressive eyes that can blink and track movement while making interaction with humans feel more human. Their robots can be displayed in a wide range of facial expressions, from smiling to frowning, and even showing subtle emotional reactions. They are currently being developed for exhibitions, customer services, and early-stage companionship use cases, including assisting elderly care environments by interacting with patients and providing basic reminders. This is not perfect yet, but it's getting close to being unsettling. Then there's the Xpeng company, which revealed its iron robot at its 2025 AI Day in Guangzhou. The CEO had to physically open the test panel on stage just to prove that there was no human inside. That's how real it looked. It stands at 178 cm tall and moves like a runaway model. 2 sensors in each hand alone, and it can walk, talk, recognize faces, and hold a full conversation in real life. It is not built for the lab, it is built for the real-world environment, including shopping malls, hotels, and reception desks, to greet you, guide you, and answer all of your questions. So far, we've just touched the tip of the iceberg. If you want another part for this video, comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest technological breakthroughs happening around us.